Have you ever watched a top executive seamlessly navigate their hectic schedule and thought, how do they do it? The secret often lies in the skilled hands of a personal assistant. Welcome to the course for personal assistant training, where you will uncover the exciting and dynamic world of personal assistants. Whether you are an aspiring personal assistant eager to start your journey, a seasoned professional looking to improve your skill set, or someone exploring new career opportunities, this course is your gateway to mastering the key office skills necessary for success. So, what awaits you in this course? First, you will understand the role of a personal assistant, discover the vital functions you will perform, the different types of personal assistants, and the career pipeline that will guide your professional growth. Next, you will explore the preparation and equipment you need to get started. You will also understand the initial investments required, the essential tools you need, and how much you will potentially earn. As you progress, you will become proficient in software mastery. From Microsoft Word and Excel to Google Docs and Sheets, you will unlock the secrets to boosting your productivity and efficiency with these powerful tools. And yes, you will also become an expert with PowerPoint, Google Slides, and essential video conferencing software like Google Meet and Zoom. This course will also focus on building critical skills: effective communication, time management, organizational prowess, attention to detail, problem solving, and multitasking are the hallmarks of a successful personal assistant. So, from this course, you will learn how to cultivate these skills to perfection. Effective relationship is the key to success in any role. Don't worry, from our course, you will master the art of building and maintaining professional relationships. You will learn how to handle conflicts, navigate workplace politics, and promote a positive and cooperative work environment. Moving on, understanding the principles of project management is another crucial aspect of this course. You will learn how to organize and execute projects successfully, collaborate with stakeholders, and ensure timely and within-scope project completion. Organizing meetings and events is a significant part of the responsibilities of a personal assistant. This is why this course will guide you through the essentials of booking venues, setting up meeting rooms, taking effective minutes, and presenting yourself confidently. You will even learn how to manage the fear of public speaking. Managing stress and practicing self-care is vital for the well-being of a personal assistant. So, this course will share strategies to identify and control stress in high-pressure situations and tips to balance your personal and professional life. Finally, this course will cover career development for those looking to advance their careers. You will be able to create a career development plan, learn to negotiate promotions and salary increases, and identify opportunities for growth and advancement. Now let's see, who is this course for? Are you looking to break into the field of personal assistance and start your career with a solid foundation? This course is perfect for you. If you are already working as a personal assistant and want to upgrade your skills and knowledge to perform more effectively, you will find valuable insights here. Are you an office professional aiming to transition into a personal assistant role? This course will provide you with the necessary skills and understanding to make that switch seamlessly. For those coming from different professional backgrounds and looking to improve their organizational and administrative skills, this course offers a fantastic opportunity. Fresh graduates eager to start their careers in a dynamic and supportive role within various industries will find this course incredibly beneficial. Entrepreneurs needing personal assistance skills to manage their businesses and administrative tasks better will also benefit from this comprehensive training. If you are currently working as an executive assistant and want to refine your skills and broaden your expertise, this course is for you. Virtual assistants who wish to improve their skill set to offer more value to their clients will find this training invaluable. HR professionals seeking a deeper understanding of the personal assistant role to support their hiring and training processes will benefit greatly from this course. And if you are simply interested in understanding the challenges of office management and personal assistance to support various organizational roles, look no further. This course has got you covered. So grab a seat, get ready to learn, and let's explore the fascinating field of personal assistance.